The Second Amendment. What does it mean to you? To some, it's enjoying their hunting heritage. To some, it's chasing Olympic dreams. But to most, it's about protecting themselves and their families. It means all those things to the National Rifle Association of America. We represent all backgrounds, all faiths, and all ethnicities. We are moms and dads, first responders, veterans, teachers, doctors, and farmers. And we are in every community in this great nation. The NRA proudly protects the rights of law-abiding Americans, and we're the nation's leader in firearms safety and training. But recently, we've witnessed horrific acts committed by dangerous individuals with mental illness. The government has failed to address this problem, and unfortunately, there's no easy button to fix it. All of us, gun owners and non-gun owners alike, want to live in safe communities and send our kids to safe schools. No one disagrees with that. But the question is, how do we do it? Blaming good, honest people for the acts of murderers is wrong, divisive, and not the answer. Passing new gun control laws won't protect our kids because criminals willing to commit murder will never obey the law. So does that mean we just do nothing? Absolutely not. Our nation can't afford to repeat the mistakes of the past, and there are meaningful steps we can take right now. Let's work together to secure our schools and stop school violence. We protect our banks, our sports stadiums, and our government buildings better than we protect our schools. That must change. Every school is different, and every school security plan's different. But relying on a sticker in a window that says no guns allowed is not a security plan. It's an invitation to tragedy. In every community in America, there are programs that would help prevent school violence before it happens. Training, intervention, communication, reporting. Congress needs to immediately pass legislation like the Stop School Violence Act to give these programs the critical funding they need. Let's also fix our broken mental health system and create better background checks. All too often, those with mental health issues can't get the treatment they desperately need. We must have more treatment centers so they can get help before they become a danger to themselves or others. For those who are dangerous, not only do they need to be put into a mental health facility, they need to be put in the background check system. Let me be clear on this. The NRA believes that anyone who is a danger to themselves or others should not be allowed to have a firearm, any firearm, period. That's why Congress needs to immediately pass Senator Cornyn's bill to make the background check system better and stronger by making sure it has all the records of violent criminals and those who are found by a court to have a dangerous mental illness. But more importantly, we need to stop dangerous people before they act. So Congress should provide funding for states to adopt risk protection orders. This can help prevent violent behavior before it turns into a tragedy. These laws allow a court to intervene and temporarily remove firearms when a person threatens violence to themselves or others. To be effective and constitutional, they should have strong due process protections and require that the person get treatment. These proposals can be done right now. While they won't solve everything, they will help lead to a broader discussion on how to address a culture of violence in America, which is desperately needed. There will always be evil in this world. That won't change. But we can change our response. We can take action and prevent violence and protect the Second Amendment rights of law-abiding Americans at the same time. That's what the 5 million men and women of the NRA are committed to do, and we hope you'll join us in getting it done.